In the bustling village of Eldoria, nestled among the luminescent hills, there lived a young and spirited man named Finn. Finn possessed a remarkable heirloom passed down through generations, a peculiar bag filled with magical animals. Each creature, from the minuscule whispering butterflies to the mighty azure dragonflies, wielded their own unique enchantments. Known for his unwavering courage, Finn felt a deep-seated responsibility to protect his village. The tranquility of Eldoria was under threat. An evil wizard named Zoltar had emerged from the shadowed caves of the Corvinian mountains, casting a veil of darkness over the land with his malevolent magic. One fateful morning, the sky turned a foreboding shade of gray, and the once vibrant flowers wilted under Zoltar's curse. The villagers gathered in panic as the petrifying cold crept upon them. Finn stepped forward, determination flickering in his eyes like a beacon. "Fear not, for the magic of Eldoria will not bow to the will of darkness," he proclaimed, reaching into the bag. Finn extracted a shimmering phoenix, its plumage blazing like the sun. With a melodic cry, the phoenix soared into the sky and light returned, dispersing Zoltar's clouds. The villagers marveled, hope rekindling in their hearts. Yet, Finn knew this was merely the beginning. His journey led him on a treacherous path through the haunted woods where trees whispered secrets from eras gone by. Finn encountered various trials, each requiring a distinct creature from his magic bag. Finally, atop the treacherous cliffs, he faced Zoltar, a sinister presence enveloped in swirling shadows. Unfazed, Finn drew forth his mightiest ally, the radiant unicorn, a symbol of purity and strength. Defeated, Zoltar crumbled, and the shadows retreated. With the wizard's reign ended, Eldoria rejoiced.